San here, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to downtown right now and I'm filming this video because I wanted to show you how I get ready in my car. I want to thank the Rimmel team for sponsoring today's video. I just had to get out and run out the door and make sure I get to where I need to be on time and just do my makeup real quick in the car because I didn't have time to do that this morning. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can get notified when my next video is live. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. And with that said, let me just drive to where I need to be and we'll stop and put my makeup on. Alright, so I finally got to my destination and I have a few minutes to get ready, so we'll just get started. Before I begin, I always just sanitize my hands first because, you know, germs. And take this jacket off because it's actually really hot right now. So I have a few minutes to get ready right now, so we're just gonna start off with my face, and I only have my moisturizer and sunscreen on. Just gonna be focusing on concealing my hyperpigmentation. I still want to keep my skin looking like skin. So for today, I'm gonna be using the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Breathable Lightweight Medium Coverage Concealer and focusing this on my acne scars. So I have a few acne marks on my skin. I do like this concealer because it has the sponge tip, which makes it easier to apply onto my skin. And then I'm just gonna quickly blend it with my fingers as well. Next, I'm going to set this concealer with my Rimmel London Instafix Matte Translucent Powder. I'm going to lightly dust this onto my face to help set the concealer. I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm going to be using the Rimmel Brow This Way Fiber Pencil. I'm going to lightly fill in my brows. And if you guys are interested, I have all of the products that I'm using in this video listed on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So next, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes before applying eyeliner and mascara. And for my eyeliner, I'm using the Rimmel London Wonder Wing eyeliner, and this one is actually really cool because it has this wingtip kind of stamp to help you create the perfect cat eye. You basically just place it at the edge of your eyes and then stamp it, and then you can connect the wingtip to your lash line with the pointy tip of the eyeliner. For my mascara, I'm going to be applying the Rimmel London Scandaleyes mascara. I applied my mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and I really like this mascara because it just gives me the volume that I want. So since my eye makeup is very simple and minimal, we are going to focus on our lips to kind of give it an extra oomph. And I normally have multiple lipsticks in my makeup bag just because like I like to switch things up a little bit, or sometimes I like to play around and layer like 2 different colors to create a different look. But today I am going to show you how I do like an ombre lip. To start off, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses lip liner using rose quartz because it's like a nice nude lip color. It almost looks like my lips but better, and I really like the creamy texture of this lip pencil because you're not having to like pull and tug while lining your lips. It just glides on your lips and it gives you that precise application, and it just blends really nicely, so it's really perfect when you're creating that ombre lip. So next, I'm going to apply the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Rose and Shine, and I'm just going to apply it on top of the lip liner around the edges of my lips. Just need like a little bit of it because it has like a very intense color payoff, which is really awesome because you don't need to keep layering it on your lips. It dries into this velvety soft matte finish, and it's kiss proof, touch proof, and waterproof. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna do a kiss test on the back of my hand so you guys can see nothing. To finish up my ombre lip, I'm going to apply the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, this time in Firestarter. And I love how this lip color is a bit of a orangey red. I'm gonna dab a little bit of this in the inner part of my lips. I quickly pat the color onto my lips to blend it out a little bit. I really like this lip combo right now, especially for spring, because it's like a very subtle ombre look. It doesn't look too crazy. It's very wearable and it's perfect for spring. And it looks like, you know, you just kind of ate a popsicle and your lips turn like this. So I almost forgot to put a cheek color on. I forgot to bring my blush, so I'm just gonna use the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Be My Baby and dot this on my cheeks and then blend it out with my finger. If you forgot your blush at home, beauty hack, use your lipstick or liquid lip to add some color to your cheeks. That is basically how I get ready in my car. Let me know in the comments down below what your on-the-go makeup bag essentials are. As I've mentioned earlier, I will have all the products listed on the description box down below in case you are interested, so make sure to check it out. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't yet and subscribe. Again, thank you to the Rimmel team for partnering up with me in this video. That's it for today, and I hope to see you guys soon. I need to get out of here because it's actually really hot and go to my meeting, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!